Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're taking a look at JASMY. So JASMY right now is trading at 0.03540 here. We are basically seeing a huge sell-off, especially from last week when we observed that hanging man candlestick. So we can see here observed last week going into today, and most likely at the end of this week, we have a few more days. We are most likely going to be closing below this body unless you guys know something that's happening fundamentally with the project itself that may surge the price even further up and close above the body. But that's the only bullish scenario that I can think of going into next week, and kind of observe how we are going to be taking a look at that candlestick characteristics. But taking a look overall on the weekly time frame, we do see some cooling off periods in terms of our indicators. The RSI is at 57%. Possible cross underneath our signal line is going to give us more of a bearish signal. Also with our MACD indicator, it looks like momentum is slowing down here as this bar and histogram is lighter, but most importantly, it getting smaller in comparison with the previous bar itself. Just snapshot on our weekly or monthly time frame here. This candlestick, as green as it is still a little bit more of a bearish candlestick as well. Taking a look overall on the monthly time frame, however, if we do break below the 2 cents here, then essentially the uptrend itself is broken. Going into the daily time frame, sorry guys, I haven't done an update here for yesterday, but if you guys had caught this here, we saw that uptrend with that spinning top candlestick observed at the very top here. And if you do see spinning tops going either in a downtrend or an uptrend, it does basically show us and signal the momentum of that trend is slowing down, and other indicators or other signals, are to confirm the trend itself is over. So we saw that spinning top with, again, a closure below the body itself. The price is going to come down here. So as we take a look at some of these characteristics of these candlesticks, we don't really see any bullish reversals per se. So we are going to catch ourselves in an area of finding support. And our next Fibonacci level here is at 38% of our fib at 0.324. And that is in high area of importance because not only is it 38% of our fib, but it is found near our 50 moving average, where moving averages are found as resistance and support. So this is going to be a high area of key interest. If the price breaks below that for JASMY, price can easily come down to the next area of Fibonacci, which is going to be around the 2 cents here. Going into immediate short term for 4 hours, there is a lot to cover here, but we can already see that JASMY has broken through multiple areas of support. The last video we were talking about is the consolidation range, where price was moving zigzag through areas of resistance to an area of support. We saw that immediate support being broken, most importantly, striking right through our next Fibonacci level at 78% at the 3780, and basically trying to find a bottom here. If we haven't seen JASMY oversold, we are incredibly oversold here in terms of the RSI. We are at 11% of the RSI. I was kind of scanning the RSI itself to see if we had any bullish divergence. Let me know down in the comments if you found one. It would be helpful to kind of have some bullish sentiment or some bullish signals here for JASMY to find a nice rebound, especially when the price is skyrocketing like this. We do see a volume spike here as well. We can see the volume, which does help the drop, especially around that 78% of our Fibonacci. So we may see the price coming down to the 100% of our Fibonacci level at 0.032. And again, that was already indicated back here on the daily channel, where it is going to be observed closely around the 50 moving average. So we may see some rebounds around here. It is very frustrating, especially when the trend itself changes. To catch the bottom, I do want to warn you very, very cautiously here, even though that the price has dropped several areas of support. Just because this is the next area of Fibonacci doesn't necessarily mean this may be the bottom. So just be very cautious, double check your indicators, your trading strategy, and just be safe overall. We do see a death cross here in the immediate short term for 4 hours, where a 20 moving average or smaller moving averages move below a 50 moving average. This does signal bearish signals as well, and the sentiment of this overall trend has changed to a bearish trend. We can already see that with the attempt to try to get back into this consolidation here by these candlesticks getting rejected and then pushing further and further down here. So just be cautious if you guys are taking a look at JASMY. I am hoping that we do find a rebound here at the essentially at the 38% of our Fibonacci level. If we're taking a look on the daily time frame, we do ideally want to see a green candle after this candle. So if this here was a oh my goodness, I can't really think right now, you guys. I'm so sorry. A spinning top candlestick. So if this here was a spinning top candlestick, observe the same one as here. We ideally need to see a green candlestick that's half the size of this body of the previous day. Then that would trigger some type of reversal. But I mean, I am kind of talking in advance here. I am hoping to see some bullish sentiment in terms of JASMY so we can be able to catch this area of support and continue on in retesting some areas of resistance. But let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe as well. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.